Let's go to Abigail from Jacksonville.
Hi. My question is about a trust. I've recently moved to North Carolina, and I don't have a trust yet, but I'd like to put everything I own into it to sort of get around paying probate tax when I die.
Yeah, probate is not really a tax; it's an attorney fee, but it's still a cost. So
well, it's a big deal in North Carolina, but I'm trying to think. Do I need to go to Can I go to someone in another state to set it up, or do I have to go through the state you live in?
Well, my advice, if you're a resident of North Carolina and you're currently living in North Carolina, I need to tell you I'm only licensed in Florida, number one. And number two, my advice would be to get a North Carolina attorney to meet with and do your trust for you, because the trust is going to have statutes and things that need to be explained in North Carolina. Now, if you were in Jacksonville or in Florida and you were physically in my presence, I could do a document for you that says you're a resident of North Carolina, but it'd be governed by Florida law, because your trust can be governed by the law of any state, really. But if you're a resident there in North Carolina and most of your assets are in North Carolina, and you need a local contact, I would think, to be your attorney, to be able to talk to and so forth, I would choose a North Carolina attorney.
Okay. What sort of things should you put in your trust? Do you put your checking account into it?
Yeah, generally it's for checking, savings, money market, CDs, real estate. Examples of what usually does not go in a trust are retirement accounts and automobiles, 401ks, pensions, things like that.
So when you don't put those into your trust, do you put those in your will then?
Well, your will usually says all my real and personal property, so it covers anything that's not in the trust anyway. But things like I mentioned, insurance, annuities, retirement accounts, all have named beneficiaries that already avoid probate. So there's no reason to put those type of things in the trust if they already avoid probate.